Yeah, it's your boy Kingggk. Yeah, it's your boy Kingggk. Yeah, yeah, it's your boy Kingggk. Yeah, it's your boy Kingggk. Yeah, you dig? Barbar? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kingggk coming back with another one. If you ain't know, now you know it's another one. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kingggk coming back with another one. If you ain't know, now you know it's another one. Let's go barbargang. Listen, I'm gonna do 2 videos today. This one right here is not the choice. I'm always messing up. This one right here is Justin Bieber, E.T.A. nature video. I was waiting for him to drop it on YouTube because I've been wanting to react to it because I like this song. Plus I like the visuals, and I was like, dang, it's only right if I react to the visuals with them, with my family. It just makes sense. So now that he dropped it on YouTube, we're gonna react to it. But before we even do that, know what you gotta do. Gotta like this video. You gotta comment. Gotta subscribe. You got that, better get notified at all times. Remember, I got 2 uploads today. One right now, one later. So make sure I come back later and tune in with the kid. Without further ado, let's get into this thing. You did. Listen. So I did a cover to this song. I'll leave it at the end of this video on top, whatever. I kind of don't like it anymore. I kind of want to do it over. But it's too late, to be honest, so it really doesn't even matter. Alright, but yeah, this is one of my favorite songs on the album. I just like the way he went about it, how he sung it. It was just so chill and effortless. Let's vibe up. Well, first of all, listen, I love editing and stuff, so everything matters to me. So if you look at this video, just look at the frame and like that is so, like, I think that, like, I'm bugging. That's tough. I think that's so tough. That fit though, is tough. When he do that, whoever edits these videos, I need to know who this is, because the way he does the cartoon and then bring it back to reality is ridiculous. So, funny story real quick. I figured out what E.T.A means, finally. I know, don't cut me in the comments. Well, I finally figured it out. Well, I figured it out when I did the cover. I dropped it on my birthday. I'm like, yo, E.T.A, like, I know estimated, but it was just like, what else? So I looked it up. I'm like, what does he mean by E.T.A? And it was like estimated time of arrival or something like that. So he's telling her, what's your, like, when are you coming to me? But he just said it in such a way that it was just like, it makes you think. And it's just like, dang, Justin, you're crazy. This album, just the whole album was just ridiculous, man. Whoever's playing that guitar, gotta chill. That electric guitar, they have to chill. They was going crazy on this beat. Like yeah. I was born ready for you. Skin sweet, little cinnamon. Eyes deeper than the ocean. Love you all like pain. Love me like you don't want it to win. I just
just wanna know your E.T.A.
E.T.A.
Out the window got me looking out the street.
Distance only made. Yo, the edits. Listen, videos make songs. Like, listen, the song. Feel me? The song was already by itself just did the job. When you could see what's going on in the song, it's just like whether it like no, just to see the visuals. It's like, okay, I gotta listen to this more because I like the video. Whoa, whoa.
Jump up here for me now, so I can learn your location. Thank you, yes, you're less than 5 minutes away from me. In your arms, rubbing on your face, only place I wanna be. In the bed where we lay our head, only place I wanna be.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Chill. Michael D. I gotta find him. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the song. I hope y'all enjoyed the album, because I really enjoyed it. Justin Bieber really, really, like, I keep saying it every reaction I do of his song. Like, he really wilded out this year on that album. Was it this year or last year? One of the years. Had to be this year. Really. Nah, it had to be. It had to be. I don't know what year it was, but it was this year, last year, this year. But, yeah, he wilded out, man. He really did wild out. And I loved it. I loved the album. I think I loved every single song, too. That's crazy. But, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the song. I hope y'all enjoyed the album. Got another one coming back for y'all. So come back, come by. Yeah, I'm gonna head out. But before I even do that, you know what you gotta do? Gotta like this video. You gotta comment. You gotta subscribe. You gotta hit that bell to get notified at all times. Listen, make sure y'all stay safe, stay clean, spread the love, positivity. Mama out. I love y'all again. Like I always say. It'll be over before you know it. You did.
It's your boy Kingggkashhh. Yeah, yeah.